Ever messaged a company and waited hours for a reply? What if AI could solve your issue instantly? No waiting, no hassle? That's exactly what Salesforce Agentforce promises. But can an AI chatbot really replace human customer service? Let's find out. Welcome to AI Reviews It, where AI analyzes the latest tech so you don't have to. Today, we're reviewing Salesforce Agentforce, an AI-powered support tool that claims to automate customer service and improve response times. But how does it actually work? And should businesses trust AI with their customers? Let's break it down. So what is Salesforce Agentforce? In simple terms, it's an AI chatbot that businesses use to handle customer questions, automate responses, and solve problems without needing a human. Unlike basic chatbots that just provide pre-written answers, Agentforce can analyze past interactions, check order history, and predict what a customer might need before they even ask. Think of it as having a virtual assistant that already knows your history with the company. Instead of typing out long explanations, the AI understands your problem right away, just like a good customer service rep would. Let's say you ordered something online, but it hasn't arrived. Instead of calling support, you message the company, and Agentforce responds instantly. It checks your order details in real time and gives you a tracking update, without needing a human. If your package is delayed, it can offer a refund, reshipment, or discount automatically. And if the issue is complex, it transfers the case to a human agent, keeping all details so you don't have to repeat yourself. But what about more complex issues? Let's say your account has an unusual charge or a technical error. AI might not have the answer immediately, but it can still guide you through troubleshooting steps, saving you time before an agent takes over. Here's what makes Agentforce stand out from other AI customer service bots. First, instant AI support. Agentforce responds to customer inquiries 24/7, no waiting, no hold music. Second, smart CRM integration. It connects to Salesforce's database, giving AI instant access to past orders and customer history. Third, easy customization. Businesses can set up AI workflows without hiring developers. It's all drag and drop. Fourth, it works on multiple platforms. You can message it on a website, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or even Slack. And finally, it knows when to escalate. If AI can't solve the issue, it automatically hands it over to a real support agent. This is a big deal because many AI chatbots today just send you in circles with automated messages. Agentforce at least knows its limits and connects you to a human when needed. Faster response times, no waiting, AI provides instant answers. 24/7 availability. Even when human agents are offline, AI keeps working. Cost savings for businesses. Companies reduce expenses by automating customer support. More personalized service. AI remembers past interactions to improve responses. And here's a surprising fact. Businesses using AI chatbots have reported 20 to 30% increases in customer satisfaction because customers aren't stuck waiting for an answer. That's a game changer. But let's be real, AI isn't perfect. Here are some challenges businesses and customers may face. Misinterpretations. AI can misunderstand complex questions and give the wrong answer. Not ideal for unique cases. AI handles routine tasks well, but humans are still needed for complex issues. Difficult setup for businesses. Companies need to train the AI properly for it to work effectively. Another downside, some customers just don't like talking to a bot. Even if AI provides the right answer, many people still prefer the reassurance of speaking with a real human. So, is Salesforce Agentforce a must-have for businesses? Here's AI's final verdict. If you're a business owner, this AI chatbot can save you time, cut costs, and improve customer satisfaction. But if you're a customer, be aware that AI isn't perfect. You may still need human support sometimes. Now, we want to hear from you. Would you trust an AI chatbot over a human support agent? Tell us in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an AI-powered review.